we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to create this sultry makeup look, and I'm going to use only drugstore products. Actually I'm going to use only 3 high-end products, but mostly I'm going to use drugstore products. And yes, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to use this Burts lip balm. This is the peppermint and vitamin E lip balm, which is amazing. And yes, also I'm going to use this brightening vitamin C serum from Pixi Beauty. It's amazing, it smells amazing, it's really lightweight, but I love this product and it's amazing. My skin is glowing, I love it. Also I'm going to use this rose face cream from Pixi Beauty. This is really rich and moisturizing face cream. I really love it. If you want something for the winter time, really like moisturizing and rich, and also this smells amazing, and yes, I love it. Also I'm going to use these eye patches from Pixi Beauty. These are their detoxifying eye patches. These have like hyaluronic acid, which is really moisturizing, and I love these eye patches. They are amazing. And yes, okay, and now I'm waiting for the product to absorb. And yes, I really love all the Pixi products, and today I'm going to use a lot of Pixi Beauty skincare products. And yes, I love Pixi Beauty. Also, I'm going to use this Lancome color corrector in the shade peach. As I said, I'm going to use only few high-end products, like 3 high-end products, and this is one of these products. I received a lot of color correctors from Lancome and I wanted to use them in this video, and this product was really good, and a little bit goes like a long way. And yes, I love it. And it's real like full coverage. This is the Lancome Teint Idole color corrector in the shade peach. Also, this corrector was really easy to blend, and it covers all the imperfections, and this is amazing, and I highly recommend this product. And yes, also I love all the products that I've used from Lancome. All of their products are amazing. And yes, okay, for my foundation I'm going to use this Revlon Candid foundation. I really like Revlon products, and this was the first time that I was using foundation from Revlon. I used this foundation a few months ago, but on camera I'm using this for the first time. If I be honest, I don't really like this foundation because I realized that it's not like staying on like really good. After applying the foundation, I've noticed that it's like settling in my like smile lines, and also it comes off pretty easily. On camera it looks good, but it comes off really easily, but I like how it looks. It's a lightweight and beautiful foundation. Okay, I'm going to use also this Revlon Candid concealer. The concealer was pretty good. I love it. It's like medium coverage, and also it was lightweight, but I really like this concealer, and it wears beautifully, and also it's really like brightening, and I love it. Okay, I'm going to blend the concealer with my Real Techniques a Miracle Complexion blending sponge. And also I'm going to use this Revlon Candid setting powder. The powder was really like changing the color of the concealer. And after using like the powder, the concealer was pretty like light, and it like changed the color to like my foundation color. But this powder is a little bit drying. This is why I use this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade light for setting my whole face with this Real Techniques powder brush. I love this powder, it's amazing. And yes, now I'm going to use the same concealer from Revlon to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadows. And also I'm going to use a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Okay, for my eyebrows I'm going to use this eyebrow palette from Profusion. This is the first time that I'm using eyebrow powder, and I think this eyebrow product is really good, especially if you're going for this like natural eyebrow look. But I wasn't going for this natural eyebrow look, even though this product is really amazing, and Profusion products are really cheap and it's really worth it. You can't go wrong with this product and it's amazing. But I was going for a little bit bold makeup look today. This is why I used my Anastasia dipbrow pomade, and now I'm going to use this Rimmel eyebrow gel. This is amazing, like literally I'm really impressed with the quality of this eyebrow gel. And it's a tinted eyebrow gel, and it's really giving you like full eyebrows, and the color is just perfect for my eyebrows. There is a lot of different shades, and yes, I highly recommend this product because it's amazing. Okay, for my eyeshadows, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palettes from Rimmel. These are their Wow Edition eyeshadow palette and also Jewel Rocks eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use this transition shade on my crease, and this is really pigmented. As you can see, for Drugstore eyeshadow palettes, I am really impressed. The quality of these eyeshadows are amazing, and they blend really easily. Okay, also I'm going to apply this shimmery shade from the Wow Edition eyeshadow palette, but actually I'm changing the makeup look and I'm going to create a different makeup look, and I'm starting to apply this green eyeshadow with this flat eyeshadow brush. But as you can see, it wasn't applying the eyeshadow good. It wasn't looking like pigmented, and I choose this brush from the eyeshadow palette it comes with, and this is amazing. And as you can see, I'm really impressed. This brush is amazing, like wow. And you can see how different looks the eyeshadow and how beautiful it packs this pigment, and it's really amazing. And these eyeshadows are really pigmented, as you can see, and I'm really impressed with this brush, and I'm going to use this brush for my other makeup looks as well. And yes, I'm just packing this eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and now I'm going to go a little bit higher with the eyeshadow and creating this like eyeliner type of eyeshadow look with this same brush. And yes, these eyeshadows are really good, and I'm really loving all the products from Rimmel. Okay, now I'm going to blend these two eyeshadows with the same brush I used to apply my transition shade. Okay, these eyeshadows look amazing, and now I'm going to use this Rimmel gel eyeliner. This eyeliner was really like difficult to apply and also really difficult to remove, and I don't recommend this product. And also it's really dry, and yes, I don't recommend this product. Okay, the next product I'm going to use is I'm going to use this glitter eyeshadow from Pixi Beauty. This product is amazing. Like, you can see how beautiful it looks. It's amazing, like the shade is just perfect for this makeup look, and it's really easy to use. These eyeshadows are really good, and there is no fallout with these eyeshadows. I love this Pixi eyeshadows more than the Stila ones, and these are more beautiful and reflective, and I love this glitter eyeshadow, and these are really easy to use. Like you don't need like a glitter glue, or you don't need like any other things to apply this glitter. This is amazing. I love Pixi Beauty. Okay, now I'm going to use this light shade from the Wow Edition eyeshadow palette to highlight my inner corners. And yes. Okay, now I'm going to apply this Rimmel Scandalized mascara. This mascara is amazing. Like I love my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, but this mascara is a little bit better, and I'm really happy that I found another new mascara from the drugstore that I really love. And now I'm going to use this Ardell eyelashes in the style 253, and now I'm going to contour my face using this Profusion contour palette. This was literally $3, and you can see how beautiful and smooth this shades looks like. These are amazing, and like literally I paid $3, and Profusion products are really cheap and the quality is really good, and I'm really impressed with all the products I use from this brand, and I love this brand, and I love this contouring and highlights palette. And yes, this is amazing, and I highly recommend you to try this palette. And yes. Okay, now I'm going to use this Rimmel maxi blush. This is amazing. This looks beautiful. It's a glowy blush. This is not really like pigmented, but actually I like blushes like this, and this looks soft and it's really beautiful. This is like the NARS blush, but this is a lot cheaper, and I love this blush. Okay, also I'm going to use this lipstick from Profusion. This is from their holiday collection. This lipstick is amazing. The shade is really beautiful. It's a nude mauve shade, which is my favorite shade when it comes to lipsticks. I really love the formula of this lipstick. It's really lightweight, it's not drying, and it's really pigmented and also comfortable. And I love Profusion cosmetic products, and yes. Also, I'm going to use this highlighter palette from Pixi Beauty, and I'm going to use this light shade. It looks amazing. This highlighter is really intense, and I love the formula. I applied a lot because I was going for this sultry makeup look today, but you can apply just a little bit if you want like soft and like beautiful glow, just like for everyday. I applied a lot because I wanted to create a beautiful and sultry makeup look, and I love this highlighter palette. I'm going to use this lip topper from Profusion Cosmetics. How cute is this lip topper, and also the shade is amazing. This is in the shade Yes, and I love this lip topper, and yes. And now I'm going to set my face with Caudalie Beauty Elixir to set my makeup. Okay guys, this is everything for today's video. Love you, see you in my next video. Bye.